Hey guys, Josh here, and thanks for watching this video. What I want to do is show you inside our new app iGloo. And as you can see, got a really nice looking interface and it's super simple to navigate through, and we've actually just updated it this week, okay? So let me show you, for example, the settings page over here. We also integrate with WordPress, so you can download our iGloo WordPress plugin over here and follow along with the tutorial video showing you how to do that. And then also you can activate it with your API key and basically begin importing and publishing pages directly inside WordPress. And it's really simple, it takes like one click to import your page. Also, we've got autoresponders over here, and you can integrate with them, and you can actually add multiple accounts to each autoresponder, which is really good. And we're also integrating with different apps like Usign and other apps after launch as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over here. Over here you can check out your campaigns. I'm gonna go and create a new one over here, and it's a demo like this. And inside your campaigns, what you can do is basically add pages directly inside. So maybe you want to go and select a landing page. What I can do is click on add pages and then go over to, I can preview them first of all. So let me show you this one, for example. Really clean looking pages, as you can see. And everything on these pages can be completely customized, you know, with however you like, okay? Let's have a look at this one over here. Whoops, like that. Okay, so really nice looking pages. What I'm going to do is just select this one here, and I'll call this one landing page, like that. You can also duplicate the pages and as well as export them as HTML pages, and to obviously add to your own server as well. Okay, so I'm going to go grab also, let's go grab this page over here. This is actually a bonus page that we've created for you to, you know, begin promoting iGloo inside of iGloo. So you can actually select this bonus page, you can customize it how you like. But yeah, it's kind of a basic layout for you to use. You can add your own bonuses, yeah, and kind of make it how you like when you begin promoting iGloo. So I'm going to select that one as well, and it's going to add more pages, and I'm going to go over to the upsell pages. Okay, so we've got some really nice looking ones over here. Yeah, as you can see, super good looking, I guess. And let's go grab this one as well. I'll show you this one. So yeah, it looks good. Cool. Okay, so I'm going to select that one as well. And with your pages, you can adjust the name over here. I'll just do it quickly like this. Say, for example, upsell 1. Maybe you want to duplicate that and make it upsell 2 over here. Let's go and just select that. Okay, and yeah, you can see you start building out your kind of funnel like this, okay? I'll just select bonus page like that. Cool. So let me show you inside the editor. So once you've selected your page, simply go over to edit. And then we can begin customizing this page. Okay, so yeah, super simple to do. What you can do is simply just double click on an image and select a different image. So let's go grab this one, for example. With these navigations, you can go through and select the on style, what it will look like when it's on, and when it's off, and then when it's on as well. And this is a really cool effect, just using a GIF image actually on this to make it look like it's snowing. So I'm gonna go grab, let's go maybe something like that, for example, or maybe something like this. Looks pretty cool. And you could adjust the text color and things like that as well. Maybe make it a bit darker, or even maybe add like a text shadow to make it more visible as well. You could do it down here as well. Okay, so as you can see, like tons of customization options. You could create any type of page you like really quickly and really easily. Oops, let's go back over here like that. Okay, so it's looking really good. Yeah, you can go through and basically start dragging and dropping things. The way that it works is you add like a block like this. This is like a section, and then in your section you can go through and, you know, select different columns. Let's say we want to have that kind of column layout. Then we can begin dropping elements onto the column block. So I can select an icon, for example. We've got a massive icon library of vector icons where you can, you know, go through and select them, adjust the color, adjust the size, make it however you like, and yeah, it's really easy to do. You can also duplicate things really quickly and easily like this. Just drag it where you want, double click on it, and then select a different icon. And you can see already how fast and efficient that is. If you want to make the section box, you can go ahead and do that. You can add on borders to your section as well, like this. Let's say, for example, we want a little border like that. Adjust the color, and it's, you know, it's that easy. You can also like select different types of borders. So maybe you want a dashed one, dotted one. You can play around with it and make it however you like. Everything can be animated directly in here. You can see this countdown timer as well. We've added like a little image on this. You can go through and select fun things like that. Or maybe you just want to have like a gradient kind of color for this. You can go through and select gradients. And it's, yeah, as you can see, like you can basically customize everything the way that you want it, to have the perfect design for your landing pages or for any type of marketing page like that, okay? Let's go back over here and just add or take away that border like this. And yeah, as you can see, it's looking really good right now. So we can also, you know, if I wanted to add an animation on this, I'll simply select that, go to my animations, I can select something like this, or let's have a look at that one. Tons of like really cool animations like this, okay? You can also add on spark animations, and these are part of the Pro upgrade, as well as mouse hover animations. So for example, you want to have like a hover one, you can see what it looks like on this little preview over here. Maybe like this one. Yeah, as you can see, really super easy to do and to customize, okay? We're also adding in video backgrounds. Currently this is actually just a GIF image, which is completely looped, which looks like a video, as you can see. But we're also adding in video backgrounds, which is going to be really good as well. Okay, so yeah, I mean, that's kind of how it all works. You can see we've got tons of elements over here. We're actually adding in a lot more elements during this week and next week as well. But say for example you want to add like a social button, you simply click and drag drop. You can go ahead and resize it like this, for example, make it really big. You can select different types of presets we've got, like that for example, and you can adjust the padding, the top margin. We've got padding over here in the container. You know, if you want to make it big like that, bring this down. Also, another cool thing as well that you can do is actually save sections as templates. So for example, maybe I like this section here. What I could do is click on that and then click on save section as template and call this one video demo section, okay? And then what I could do if I want to add this section directly onto this page or onto another page, what I can do is simply create a section, go to my templates, and then select the section over here and then just add it to my page. And it's, you know, you can quickly and easily do that just simply by saving them and then adding them to your pages. What you can also do as well is you can copy content from rows and then paste them directly on rows. So for example, let's say for maybe this section up here, I'm going to go through and go over here and copy row, and then what I can do is create a new section, let's say over here, and I'll select this one, and what I'm going to do is just simply paste rows on top like this. And it pastes directly that content up here directly on top of the section. So let's go and make this color a little bit, let's say darker, so you can see the text. And it's as simple as that and as quick as that. And you can see how fast it is to go ahead and customize and edit pages directly inside of iGloo. And we've also got, for example, you want to add a button. You can just drag and drop it there, maybe for example. I can click on that. You can customize it directly on the button. Okay, and let's go and adjust this slightly. Let's say for example like that. You can also add in like custom dimensions like this. You can also add icons directly onto your button. Just simply select one like that. You can customize the size and make it bigger, the color, everything's fully customizable, as you can see. You can also add in cards. So for example, you want to have some credit cards on here as well. Just saves you a lot of time simply selecting like that, okay? So yeah, I guess like that's kind of it, running through just really quickly. But it's a super awesome software. Part of the upsell was the color bucket, where you can actually create color palettes to use when you're designing your pages. So let's say color palette 1. So I can create a bucket, then I can begin adding colors to my bucket. So this is really good, you know, if you've got a set amount of colors that you want to use. It just helps you to save a lot of time having to find them all the time. Let's say you want to red or something like that as well. So what you would do is simply, if you want to change up an element, just copy the color like that, and then you simply go ahead and paste that color in the box like that, okay? And go back over here, go back over to my element, and just add it in like that, okay? So super easy to do. The text is fully customizable like this. We've also got an on kind of canvas text editor, so you can adjust like certain parts. Say for example this part, we can make that bold, we can underline it, we can change that color like so. And yeah, I guess that's kind of a quick run through of iGloo. I'm going to be adding a more professional and a better demo video onto the JV pages that you'll be able to use on your bonus pages and in your promotional campaigns. But this is just a quick video showing you how iGloo works, so you can get a good idea and yeah, know exactly what it is when coming to launch data big and promoting it, okay? So yeah, thanks again for watching this video. Yeah, it's going to be a great launch. We've got a ton of awesome JVs on board, and yeah, we really appreciate your support. So again, thanks again. I'll speak to you soon.